Thank you for clicking this video. In this video, I will be doing Fruity Loops Crispy Treats and Cinnamon Toast Crispy Treats. So basically, all I'm doing is using marshmallows, the cereal I want, butter. This is the butter I'm using because I'm doing it in a microwave. So you can use any kind of butter, but like that's how I'm doing it. So I got my bowls to separate. Make sure you wipe them because you know this corona going around. But anyways, I got my two bowls. Separate the cereal from what I want to do. Let's just get right into it, and I'm gonna show you what to do. And that's period. Okay, first I'm gonna get my bowl. I'm gonna add my butter. The butter is just so it can stick. Butter in here, you can see. Adding marshmallows. You can add as much as you want. I'm gonna foam it into this. Half Fruity Loops and half Cinnamon Toast. That's what I'm gonna do. And then if I run out, I'm gonna just do the same process. Put this in the microwave till it melts and come right back. Throughout the video, I don't want y'all to say I don't know what I'm doing. So basically, add the butter, add the marshmallows, as how many you want. You melt it, and I'm gonna just come right back. Hold up. So these my cereal. These the marshmallows. Before it get hard, you better start. Yeah, let me get a spoon. When you start mixing it, make sure it don't get as hard. It's about to fall off the plate. Just mix it throughout the butter so it won't get sticky. You add your cereal. Listen. See? See, the butter actually make sure it don't stick. It's coming off. Ooh. This is my first time doing this. Look how nice it is. It smells good too. So, after you do everything, make sure you wash your hands. Using my hands, I'm gonna just put it in there. I washed my hands already. See? Just put it in there. Ooh. That's the first one. Yes. So I'm gonna have to do one more batch. So we're gonna move on to this one. And don't worry, it's only me eating it, so I can't eat off the spoon. So. Yeah, I'm gonna do the butter and stuff process. So. Top it off with like cereal, hard cereal, the ones that's not in the marshmallow, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna put a lot because this bowl is fairly small because it only make this much. Basically 1/4 of the bowl. I'm running out of marshmallows. Yeah. But do the same process. So butter, then the marshmallows, then marshmallows. Ooh, it almost fell. So melt this like 30 minutes or so, and then melted it. Focus now. See, it's melted. So now I just mix it with this. This one is already getting, you know, cool down. Take our spoon. We're gonna mix the marshmallow. See, it's a little bit. Start adding your cereal. Not a lot yet. And then once you get that mixed in, you start adding as much cereal you want. Not as much, but I added a little bit by little bit. That's about it. Ooh, that looks good. And then you add it to your little pan or whatever. I'm adding it to my bowl. So you let it sit and cool down. That last little bit. It's not really sticking to the what's the name, because of the butter. I'm gonna add some like vanilla cream. Okay, so it feels very vanilla, if I'm saying that right. This marshmallow good. Well, me creations. Y'all see? Yes. I'm gonna put my lid over it, set it in the freezer for like 10 minutes, and then come back. And that's on period. So I forgot to say, I'm gonna be melting it. Hold on. I don't know how much I need, so I'm just scoop it in there. You know, see it with some cereal and then drizzle it on there. This is my first time trying to make Rice Krispies, so see. Well, I mean, that was good. Vanilla cream or whatever. I'm using it so I can drizzle it over the crispy treats or whatever the heck these things called. I'm gonna put like a little bit of cereal, or should I crunch it? I'm gonna crunch it up, mix it all together. That's what I'm gonna crunch up and mix it into the vanilla. And hold on, crunch this up, pour it in there, and then melt it. No time. Freaking do this. So let's get into it. Hold on, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator real quick. So boom, and that's on period. Pull this in here into the Ziploc bag. Mixed, I'm gonna pop it into the microwave, and you will see that. So that's on period. So let's just do that. So let's get it. Okay guys, here is the finishing look, and I'm gonna just add some sprinkles of the cereal I used. That's about it. So as y'all can see, they already cooling down. I'm gonna show y'all me drizzling that thing on there. So we're gonna take a scoop of the drizzle it on there. So I'm gonna show y'all. Refrigerated for like 10 minutes, and we just gonna see what it is. So that's on period. Let's just get into it. Like I said, just mix it with both of the cereals. This is what we got. That's on period. I'm supposed to say it, you know? That's on period. And that's, I just gotta go because you don't even know. Finishing look though. So what I'm gonna do is cut a piece and see how it tastes. Bless these people who are watching this video, and I just pray this ain't nasty. Amen. I know this was short and it look good though, right? So let's just taste it. Come on. Okay, this is the cinnamon toast crunch. Oh, it Smell good though. Okay. That's marshmallow under there. Look. You see all the layers? Let me just eat it. Mmm. Ooh. Hold on, I gotta get some water. Dang thick. This is the Fruity Loop side. Ooh, God bless this. Ooh. I cannot taste. All I taste is marshmallow and a tad bit of Fruity Loops. It's good though. But anyways, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on that notification button. I hope you guys like this. And comment down below what you think I should do next. This, like I said, comment down below and give me some ideas. I'm starting to do DIYs because I am bored in this quarantine. I cook, but like, not this. See y'all later. And don't forget, I will be posting more. I have more time. So just comment down below what you think I should do next. And how did you like the video? And what was your favorite part? And that's on period.